Come test drive the 2015 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, anti-lock braking system, traction control, running boards, navigation system, 4-wheel drive, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.